Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Chase J. Chase, this is the console that you sent in. It is a Corona 4 gig. Did not require a postfix, so I believe that puts it firmly in the V2 category. We did the modification with the Matrix V1 using the Muffin installation technique. That has allowed for some really nice fast boot times, as you'll see here. We did pink LEDs on it. And then I noticed that you sent along some, like an ACE and a JR programmer and stuff. I'm going to be sending that back with the console. There's definitely no need for that, since the send-in service includes all of the supplies and everything in order to modify the console. Inside the little sleeve here is a disc that contains your original NAND copies, your CPU key, Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX menu, that sort of stuff. So you're all set and good to go there. And as you can see, the console is successfully booted here. Now, one of the things that bothers me about these, the plastic around the outside here, and the console is booting in the background. Oh, the aspect ratio is all out of whack. It's going to boot up directly into Freestyle Dash here. But what I wanted to point out is that you can see here the center LED is really nice in pink. But what happens with these outside ones is they are equally as pink. It's the exact same LEDs, but they look a little peaches because there's a green tint to the plastic that's in front of there. So because of that green tint, it kind of messes with it or whatever. The video may have frozen here. What's going on? In any case, you saw it boot. My video may or may not be frozen for you here right now, but thank you very much for your business. We'll go ahead and get this thing packed up and headed out your way.